Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company EayonHair. But before I get started, as I always say, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It is free. It don't cost a thing. Hit the subscribe button. And also turn those notifications on because you do not want to miss out on any of my videos. You guys, the packaging, and also you do get a wig cap, and this box is sturdy if you want to keep it to store your unit in when you are not wearing it. Now this unit that we'll be showing you guys today is the loose wave unit. This one is a 13x6 lace front wig with the fake scalp. But this wig is also a full hand-tied wig, so it is the full lace in the back. On the website, you can just pick the 13x6 lace front wig without the full hand-tied part. That just means that you'll have some wefts in the back. Now, this one is a natural color. It's 150% in density. The length on this is 20 inches. You also do get a pre-plucked hairline. You also get some baby hairs in the front to customize it, and you do get your bleach knots. You guys, the inside of the cap construction, you do get your two combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And they also include a removable elastic band on the wig, which I'm happy that most companies are starting to do that. It definitely saves you time from having to sew on your own band. You do also get that nice soft lace, and I'm just showing you guys right here what the hairline is looking like before I wash it and then customize it to my liking. What the unit is looking like now that it has been freshly washed and it has air dried. Now, as you guys can see, the waves were a little bit tighter in the beginning, but they definitely loosened up once you go ahead and wash the unit. That is exactly how it's going to look. Now I'm just going to place this unit on my head and then work on cutting off the lace. So this is a medium cap size. They also do offer a small cap size on the website. However, this medium cap size is actually pretty comfortable because I do have the adjustable straps tightened, and I also have the elastic band on the very last setting, and it's very snug, so I don't have to worry about it moving around. I do feel like if I would have gotten the small cap size, then I wouldn't have had to use the adjustable strap and the elastic band, but I don't feel, you know, insecure about it being on my head since I am going to be wearing this hair glueless. Lace on this unit is a medium brown color, and I'm just making sure to get as close as possible because when I put my head up, I did notice that the lace was a tad bit light, and I felt like once I cut it off, you know, try to get as close as possible, then it blended in and looked a little bit better. So I'm just going to go in with my She Is Bomb Fuse Foam, and I'm going to begin on molding this unit down. I do not want to have to freeze spray this or anything, and this fuse foam definitely works well for me, especially because the unit is fitting me very good. I don't have to worry about it moving around. As you can see, the hairline looks really good without any extra customizations to it. But I am going to take out some hair in the front and then just cut it down shorter and then swoop over some shorter hairs. Of course, like I always say, baby hairs are a preference, a personal preference. So if you don't want to rock the baby hairs, you don't have to because the hairline looks good already. So it's just up to you. However, today I'm going to be a little bit extra. So I'm going to mold that down also using the She Is Bomb. And then I will be doing the same thing. Now I'm not going to go too heavy on the baby hairs in the front because I still want this to look as realistic as possible. But look how nice that looks as far as them bleaching the knots. It looks really good. Now I was a little bit concerned because I could see a small amount of the fake scalp, and I was like, I hope this is not going to show, but you guys will see that in the end it's going to turn out and look very good and very natural. Baby hairs to lay right, it's going to take time. So it takes me a little bit to get them exactly how I want them to be. And I don't like mine to look very thick, but that is what they look like when I am done. I'm going to tie the front of the hairline down using my wig grip. This just works well for me, but you can take a scarf or anything else that you can lay your edges down with. I'm just going to tie it up. Now it only takes about 10 minutes for it to set and be completely dry. And I'm just going to take the edge brush and just kind of comb through just a little bit. And then I noticed some little longer hairs. I'm going to cut those out too. It really looks good without me having even added powder yet. Now I'm going to go in with my wax stick on the side and also at the top of the unit. And then I'm going to take my hot comb and just press everything out. As you guys can see, the waves do not start at the root. So I'm just going to press it out just to make it look a little bit more flatter at the top. Mind you, my hair is not super flat underneath. I have it in flat twists and one side is a little bit more puffier. So I want to make sure that the top of the wig is laying down really good. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 355. I believe that's coconut. And then I'm going to go around the hairline and also into the parting space. As you guys can see, even with a little bit of powder, because I did not put a lot of powder in the very front, look how well it camouflages everything. And like I said, around the hairline, I felt like it blended really good already. So the powder is just a little bit extra to make sure that I feel comfortable. But I do need some in the parting space because the fake scalp is a little bit lighter. But once I put my powder on top of it, it definitely came to life. Hey wig, you is coming together. Yes, look how good that looks. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take out my clips, and then I'm going to take my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I'm just going to run that throughout the hair. Now this hair can become a little bit frizzy, especially because I had already pretty much ran my fingers through it before I had put on the unit. I try not to do that and just let it set, but sometimes I'd be tempted to run my hands through the curls already. So this is going to calm down some of that frizz, and I'm also going to make sure that I focus towards the ends of the hair. I've gotten plenty of questions about me fluffing up the hair. I prefer to fluff up my curls and waves because I like the big look, but you can leave it like the way it is. If you are done with it and you kind of want the wet look, then just don't fluff it up too much. What the wave pattern looks like once it is fluffed up, and then when I turn around, I'll show you guys what it looks like all to the back. Once again, this is only 150% in density. That's the only density amount I see for this unit. It looks really good in a ponytail, as you guys can see, really nice and full. I have 20 inches. You can get this unit up to 22 inches, and then it starts at 10 inches. Now, as far as the hairline and the fake scalp goes, I really have no cons about that. It looks really good. I did not use any type of adhesive except for my mousse, and it's still laying down really nicely. The parting space looks really good. Of course, it was a little bit light, so I did have to go in and touch it up with my powder. But I will show you guys what the rest of the parting space will look like if you wanted to part it in the middle. They plucked out the parting space just right, because one thing I cannot stand is to have fake scalp and bleach knots and then the parting space is really tight and packed with hair. As far as shedding and tangling goes with this unit, I did not get a lot of shedding during the washing process, but I did get some during the styling process, and also with tangling after about 3 days, because I did try to wear this unit out to go run errands. I noticed some tangling up in the nape area, so you are going to have to make sure to refresh this unit. So guys, if you are interested in this particular wig, I will make sure to leave all of the links down below along with the coupon code if I can find one. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.